Hello, I'm Kevin Dempsey with the American Iron and Steel Institute, representing steel producers in the United States. Everyone knows that steel is one of the strongest materials in the world. Its strength makes it essential to our national security and critical infrastructure. But you may not know about our strength in another important area, sustainability. Steel can be found in products that we use every day that make a sustainable world possible, from modern buildings, electric cars, roads and bridges, to water and energy transmission, to trains, appliances, canned food, computers, and more. And steel is the most recycled material in the world because steel is 100% recyclable. An old steel beam can be converted into a refrigerator, a car door, or a roof panel. In fact, over the past 30 years, more than 1 billion tons of steel scrap have been recycled into new steel in North America. And steel's durability also allows steel products to be reused or remanufactured at the end of their initial useful lives. Steel also builds solutions. Steel supports renewable energy systems quite literally. A single wind tower contains 200 or more tons of steel. And because a wind turbine generates essentially emissions-free electricity, the emissions created from producing a steel tower are offset in only about 6 months. Stronger and more ductile steel grades have also allowed for lighter weight automobiles, resulting in better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, all without reducing safety. The use of current grades of advanced high-strength steel, for example, can reduce a vehicle's structural weight by as much as 25% and can cut total life cycle carbon dioxide emissions by up to 15% more than any other automotive material. American steel producers invest in state-of-the-art facilities that improve energy efficiency, reduce carbon emissions, and heighten productivity. In this recent study, you can see that among the world's top steel-producing nations, the American industry is the cleanest and most energy efficient. We have the lowest energy intensity and the lowest carbon dioxide emissions per ton of steel produced. In fact, you can see that Chinese steel production creates carbon emissions that are almost 2.5 times higher than in the US. And another recent report, specifically on structural steel, shows that China's production of these products results in 3 times the greenhouse gas emissions as the same type of production in the US. Our emissions are lower because the US makes a much higher percentage of its steel from electric arc furnaces than most other regions. 70% of our steel is made this way, recycling steel scrap to produce new steel using electricity. And we also use a much higher percentage of low-emitting natural gas in our mills than most other countries. And our traditional integrated mills are also much cleaner than those in China because we use pelletized iron, which results in significantly lower emissions than the lower quality sintered iron used in China and many other countries. And the US energy grid that serves both electric arc and integrated mills in the US has much lower carbon intensity due to the increased use of natural gas and renewables. Work is also underway on other projects to further enhance the sustainability of our operations, including the increased use of renewable energy in electric arc furnace production and advancements in the use of direct reduced iron and hot briquetted iron in place of traditional pig iron. These and other technological advancements in steelmaking will further promote the environmental, social, and economic sustainability of our industry. So if you want to buy the cleanest, most sustainable steel available, buy American-made steel. To find out more about our sustainability story, please go to our website at steel.org and click on sustainability. Thank you.